Hi friends, welcome to this morning yoga routine. We're going to start on our hips, sitting hips to heels in a kneeling position. You can bring your hands to your knees and just take a moment to breathe, taking one clearing breath in. Exhale out of your mouth. Just allowing yourself to arrive today. From here, we're going to start by shifting our hips over to the right side so your feet are over to the left. Bringing those left fingertips out to the side, and we're going to sweep the right hand up and over as you take a side bend. Breathe and find space. Maybe the gaze goes up underneath the right arm. And gently lift up, back through center. Take it on the other side. So dropping the hips over to the left. Feet come out to the right, walking those fingertips out. Inhale, left hand sweeps up and over, hinge. Find space in the side body. Again, maybe the gaze goes up or down, whatever feels good for the neck. And gently lifting yourself back up. Coming into tabletop position. So all fours, hands underneath shoulders, knees under hips. Begin by finding a couple of rounds of figure eight with your hips. So moving forward and back, just thinking about drawing a figure eight with your hips. Warming up the wrist. Going as fast or slow as you need in your body today. And then gently settling into stillness. Find a couple of rounds of cat and cow. Inhale, belly drops, gaze goes up. Exhale, press the ground away to round. Moving back and forth between these two movements at your own pace with your breath. And take another round in each direction. We'll meet back in center. From here, puppy pose. So keep the hips where they are. Walk the hands forward and melt the chest down to the mat. You can bring the forehead or the chin to rest. Finding space through the shoulders, the upper back. Take another breath here. And on your next exhale, slide forward into Sphinx pose. So elbows come underneath the shoulders, untuck the toes as you land in this gentle heart opener. Take another breath here. Then gently release down. Hands come underneath the shoulders as you press yourself up. Move through table and lift the hips up and back to downward facing dog. So first one of the practice, feel free to find some movement here, pedal through the legs, wake up the calves, hamstrings. Before settling into stillness, pressing the belly towards the thighs, hips lift towards the sky. Breathe in, breathe out. From here, rise high onto the toes, walk your feet to your hands at the top of the mat. Ragdoll forward fold, so grab hold of opposite elbow, swaying side to side, allowing the head and neck to stay heavy. Release the bind, roll one vertebrae at a time all the way up to stand, taking a big shoulder roll at the top once you arrive. On your next inhale, sweep both hands high to the sky. Exhale, hands together and down to your heart center. From here, taking a wide stance, so feet are coming to the long edge of your mat. Warrior two, bending into that right knee, toes pointing forward, finding space. Relax through the shoulders, extending the arms forward and behind. Flip the front palm, reverse your warrior, sweeping it back and over. Extended side angle, bringing that forearm to the front thigh, left hand sweeps up and over. Inhale, rise to stand. Turn both toes to the side of the mat. Goddess dip. So as you inhale, sweep both hands high. Exhale, we'll squeeze it down, drawing the elbows in towards the side. Inhale, reach high. Exhale, squeeze it low. 3 more times. Inhale, reach. Exhale, lower. Inhale, lift. Exhale, drop. And last time, reach it high. Exhale to squeeze low. And then from here, straighten the legs, warrior two, back of your mat, turning those left toes, bend into that left knee. Take a moment to set up and land, tracking that left knee open so you can still see your big toe, creating space in your hip. Flip the front palm, reverse your warrior as you sweep it back and over. Create space. Extended side angle, bring that forearm to the thigh, right hand sweeps up and over. And rise to stand. This time, bring both hands to your hips, toes turn to the side of the mat. Inhale to extend, exhale, forward fold, hinging at your hips, releasing down. Bringing your hands to the mat, you can walk them behind you, extend them in front. Maybe grab hold of opposite ankles, whatever feels good in the body today. Just take a few breaths here. And when you're ready, bring your hands right underneath your nose, lifting up halfway. Bring your hands to your hips and rise all the way to stand. You can heel toe the feet all the way in so they're right underneath your shoulders. Breathe in, reach the hands high. Exhale, hands together and down to your heart. Thank you so much for joining me in today's practice. To find fuller length classes and faith-based inspiration, you can join me inside my app, Gather Wellness. I'll see you there.